1, 2, 3, go. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Cirebon and I'm from 3A class and I'm a college student of English Department Universitas S.Pd.I Gunung Jati, Cirebon. Hello, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to me, Cirebon. Nah, sekarang I want to share you about how to be a master of ceremony dalam rangka upacara bendera flag ceremony. Nah, dalam video ini saya akan membawakan bagaimana cara menjadi pembawa acara dalam flag ceremony by the English language, because it is an attachment from my lecture in public speaking material Bapak Mahmud. Yeah, so let's start it. Red and white flags flying ceremony, Monday, April 30, 2020, begins immediately. Each row leader prepare his line. The leader of the ceremony entered the ceremony field. Participants prepared. The ceremony tribute to the leader of the ceremony is led by the leader of the far right. Report of each leader of the line of the leader of the ceremony. The ceremony builder enters the ceremony field. Ceremony participants pay their respect to the leader of the ceremony. The ceremony leader reports to the ceremony organizer that the ceremony is ready to begin. The raising of the red and white flag was accompanied by the song Indonesia Raya. A moment of silence is led by a ceremony organizer. Reading of the text opening of the 1945 Constitution. The reading the Pancasila text, followed by all participants of the ceremony. The mandate of the ceremony builder, the ceremony participants were recited. 20 prayers. The ceremony leader reports to the builder of the ceremony that the ceremony has been completed. The tribute to the builder of the ceremony is led by the ceremony leader. The ceremony builder leaves to the ceremony field. The tribute to the leader of the ceremony is led by the leader of the far right row. Announcements. The ceremony is over. The ranks are dissolved by the leader of the ceremony. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I know